When you guys go to a carnival, what's that one snack? Funnel cake. I mean, I don't know if you're gonna, when you go to a carnival, you're straight thinking about fries, funnel cake, maybe elephant ears, which I've never had, and popcorn, and like maybe a couple of snow cones. Maybe, you know, there's a few things. We're gonna be focused on funnel cakes today. I have always wanted to make my own funnel cake from scratch. Of course, I had the experience of going to the market and getting that cute little funnel thing and putting the batter, making that in there. It was just a mess. So I did a homemade version, which tasted so delicious. And I did come up with a little trick that helped me actually make the funnel cake shape. If you guys have this issue of it breaking apart, then this might help you as well. We're gonna bring the carnival to our house. We're gonna make delicious funnel cakes. We're going to cover them in sprinkles and confectioner's sugar, because why not? And I think I dipped mine in chocolate later on too. So yes, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Alright, cake nieces, for our funnel cakes, I'm going to be using a large mixing bowl, and to that I'm going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, a half teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to whisk that together, and then 3/4 cups of milk. I'm using soy milk, and then 1 egg. You can also add in a pinch of salt. We're going to whisk all of that together until it is smooth, and then it's going to go into my squeeze bottle. Now you can use one of the funnels for funnel cakes, but this is so much more convenient. So my trick for this is I'm using a 4-inch cast iron skillet for frying. As you can see, I filled it almost to the top with oil. So I just tested my oil to see that it was hot enough, and then I'm going to start squeezing my batter into my pan. Now as you can see, I think because the spout is so small, it's coming out into little bits of broken pieces, but it's almost like Pokemon. I realized, like, you just got to catch them all. So what I did was just fill my pan all the way up with my batter. I just kept on going. I kept trapping in all of the bits that kind of broke apart, and if they're all glued together with more batter, then they're not going anywhere. So after it looks like it's kind of golden brown on one side, only took about 2 minutes, then I'm going to flip it over and reveal the other beautiful side, which just had my heart skipping beats because it just looked so good. I just had to flip it over again just to, you know, make sure that my eyes weren't seeing things. Like, my funnel cake actually was successful. What? Oh, okay, open up shop. So this is gonna go onto some paper towel just so that it can drain off. And we're gonna move on to the next one. There's more confidence in this one. Camera shaking and all because it got very intense. Like, funnel cake is a serious business. Flip that over after a couple of minutes, and look at that beautiful golden brown color. Now this recipe makes about 5 of these mini funnel cakes. You can double that recipe if you're going to make larger ones, or if you have more people to feed. It was just me here, so you know, I had plenty of things going on for myself. And I love how using this skillet, which I initially thought that I was just going to be making small things like eggs and maybe 1 burger in it, really just makes the perfect personal funnel cake. I'm going to dust this with the traditional confectioner's sugar. You can put so many things on top of your funnel cake. Your funnel cake is literally a funnel for anything delicious that you feel like eating. I was so excited that I even squeezed caramel sauce on my countertop before even hitting the funnel cake, but you know, that's okay. Crunchy on the outside, super fluffy on the inside. Totally reminiscent of summertime and when I went to the carnival. Hey, you want to see some clips of me at the carnival? Here you go. Couture and a funnel cake. Bye, guys. I was at the carnival like a month ago, and I got the funnel cake with apples on top. It's like the apples that you would see in the apple pie, and it was so good. It was $1 extra for those apples. I justified it at the time, but now I'm thinking about it, I'm like, why the Let me know what your favorite carnival food is below. And if you've never had funnel cake, please try this recipe. I am meeting people who have never had funnel cake and I'm just shocked. Because I'm like, I've been eating funnel cake since before I had teeth. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media and I will see you guys soon. Bye, Cake Nieces.